Often people comment that I'm grown up and still play with toys. My name is Richard Tenguerian and I am model maker. Model making is all about imagination. Imagination will guide you to endless possibilities. Your curiosity and passion will ignite your creativity. Model making is behind-the-scenes profession and it's misunderstood by many. No one knows what it takes to create a model. It is very sophisticated and demanding in its approach. It is a creative process that fills the gap between the invisible vision of the architect and its visual reality. We have to read the architect's mind. The way a composer needs a conductor to interpret his composition, architects need model makers to interpret their vision. Our clients' trust play an integral role in the process of building a model. Physical models represent reality, but in a smaller scale. Architecture and model making are my passion. I have been doing this all of my life.